Inject pure water into the chiller, reach to the green line. Water from the chiller passes through the filter. Discharge water to the host. The water from the host machine returns to the chiller to complete the cycle. Let's see the back of the host. Gas connection hole nitrogen is recommended. Pedal signal cable. The connection signal line. Connect the host and the chiller. Host and chiller power connection cable. Host pair have 3 wires with color. The brown one is the live wire. The blue one is the zero line. This is the ground wire. This is the emergency stop switch. This is the start key. This is the switch to adjust the fan and lights. This is the switch to adjust the operating interface. Now start to use. Turn on the power switch. Twist the key. Turn on the fan and light switches. Use this key to adjust screen parameters. Open the lid. The button on the left adjusts the focus. The button on the right adjusts the left and right. The buttons below adjust up and down. Now you can start using it.